In this video, I am going to show you how to set some weekly weight goals in MacroFactor. So what you'll need to do first is simply go and download MacroFactor in your phone if you still don't have it downloaded. If you do have it downloaded, just go and access that macro. Make sure you're logged in into an account if you have an account, and if you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create an account. Of course, it's paid, but you will have, or you can have the option of 7 days free trial if you want to start using it as a start. So now, once we are here, as you can see, we would like to set some weekly weight goals in MacroFactor. We can do that using the coach program. If you are here, an example, on the dashboard, as you can see, you'll find here your weekly nutrition, insights analytics, habits, body metrics, nutrition, general, and more. Of course, we want to know, as an example, have a specific goal and set some weekly weight goal that we want to achieve. Of course, here, if you go to like the body matrix, here you'll find the scale of weights. If you go and click on it, you'll be able, of course, first of all, to scale yourself daily if you want to, and keep adding the weights each day. And of course, the body fats if it changed. Of course, this is if you want to see daily. If you want to go and do it weekly, you'll be able to do so. And of course, like the stuff with the coach option, let me just tell you about it. So, an example here is this is the goal. For me, as an example, I want to maintain my goal. An example from this to now. Of course, you can, for you set it weekly, you can go and click on your goal. And here you'll have to choose your goal. Example, maybe lose weight, maintain weight, totally up to you. Here, as example, let me just do this for me and maintenance. Yeah. And here now you can set your program. Of course, if you choose this coached option, you already like it's gonna set everything for you. Of course, you can go and do or go and do it manually if you want to, but it's gonna be a little bit annoying. So for you, just let it on coach and simply answer the questions like as you want, and they will or you will be able to set your weekly weight goal. Of course, if you change your goal, you can always just go back here. So let me just go to strategy back and click on a new goal. You'll be always to go and do it. You can also go back to your previous goal. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.